hatchery, we carefully monitor the water quality and aeration. Once they reach a certain size, they are transferred to the cages out in the bay.
We must closely monitor the mantle tissue regeneration. A single drop of the reagent will initiate the calcification process.
Scientists carefully monitor the microscopic spat in the nursery tanks, ensuring their survival before transferring them to the vast ocean farms. Oysters are typically grown in suspended cultures, either in long tubular nets or these square wire mesh cages, which allows the water to flow through.
When a storm like that hits, these rafts are completely exposed. We're losing millions of oysters every season to the changing climate.
Out here, you learn quick that the ocean doesn't care how you feel. You adapt or you sink. These new methods are just another way to adapt.
Every pearl is a miracle, but farming them is science. Advanced forecasting is essential for mitigating risk.
These specialized forceps allow us to handle the delicate samples with minimal intrusion. The precision here is paramount to the success of the grafting process.
This delicate procedure is essential. We introduce the irritant very precisely to ensure the highest quality spherical pearls are formed.
The delicate process of seeding begins by clamping the oyster open and inserting a small nucleus bead and a piece of mantle tissue.
We place the oysters back into these specialized nets, suspending them in the nutrient-rich waters for the next 2 years. It's here, suspended in these nutrient-rich waters, that the oysters begin the delicate process of creating a pearl.
This stunning tropical bay is home to our oyster farm, where
The life cycle begins in the hatchery tanks before the young spat are transferred to the vast ocean farms where they will mature.
These waters must be clean, as the oysters filter vast amounts of water, relying on the rich plankton blooms for sustenance.
we must protect the farms from dirty water or heavy pollution, which is why we use these controlled environments.
While some oysters are found wild on the shoreline, the majority are now grown in extensive underwater farms.
We need to speed this up, move the full crates to the left.
Okay, I've got the mesh.
How about this cluster here? Are these big enough yet? Yes, put them in the blue bin. They are ready.
From the initial harvest at sea to the careful sorting by hand, and finally the precision of modern technology.
It begins with the meticulous eye of a craftsman. Then, automation takes over, scanning thousands in an instant.
Luster and surface quality are paramount. We meticulously examine every pearl, ensuring only the finest AAA grades are selected.
it slowly, watch the edge. Almost there, bring it down.
Wow, this spray is strong.
We'll be done in no time at this rate.
Almost there, ladies.
All right, bring the lines up. We're coming in.
Bring it down slowly.
Watch the side there. Keep it moving.
Here at the facility, human expertise meets artificial precision, ensuring only the finest pearls move down the line.
Here are the samples ready for weighing.
All right, 500 grams exactly. The seal is secure.
I'll log that now.
While automation handles the initial sizing, as you can see here, the subtle differences in quality, here we grade them by their surface quality and roundness. Only the top 10% make the cut.
To prepare the pearls for setting, a precision drill bores a hole at high speed, utilizing a jet of cooling water to manage the fine dust.
Easy now, easy. Okay, you're clear of the truck. Take it down to staging area 3.
If you could just sign here, sir.
Of course, there we are. Thank you very much.
If you could just sign right here, sir. Certainly, thank you very much.